This is a video of checking for debris in the chopper wheel assembly for a KitchenAid dishwasher. This one's about 13 years old and it's had some repairs. This is the debris we found in the chopper assembly. So let's see how we got to it. First we'll start with removing the racks. This one just lifts straight out. The middle rack, you have to move this up. Push it and slide it on these. And this side as well. Just tilt this up. Lift it out. Top rack. As you can see, we lost one of these along the way. The lower washer arm is removed by turning the lock clockwise. Remember that. Then we have to remove this washer arm assembly. There's the bottom piece here. Just snaps out. There are clips to loosen the feed, the top and the side, at the back. And then the whole base is rotated. Where it can be lifted off. This is taken out. Remember, there's a washer here. Let's put that up here. Now we have to remove this part down here with a Torx. I believe this is the 20. This is lifted up. It's called the accumulator. Now the issue here is the chopper assembly is under this cover. And previously when I replaced the chopper wheel, I wasn't able to put it back on, so I had to make an adjustment here. So I'm going to take that cover off with the strapping I put on. This is a Torx 15. So this is the screw. Hindsight, I should have used stainless steel. Now we want to lift this assembly out. This is where I had to modify it. As we can see, there is debris in there. The chopper wheel seems to be okay. But there's a lot of debris. And this is just a assembly that pops out. So we're going to clean that. I cleaned off all of this, and chopper wheel is free to spin. And putting this back in, see there's a little notch there, a notch here, so this has to fit down like that. I'll replace this, as I said, with the notches there. This just kind of slides in until it catches on the drive mechanism. Just give this a quick clean as well. If this were magnetic to hold it in place. I can feel the blade turning. It doesn't matter that water can get in here. It also comes in at the lower level and it goes out through the pump. So we'll reverse the procedure now. So this tube has to fit down there. Screws in place. 5, I should say. Okay, now we'll put this, whatever it's called, in here. Sure that gasket is on. Oops. It just sits in there. This will be tightened later. Now we put the big arm back on. Maneuvering this towards the back. tabs have to be under this lip. And just push this in against clips on the wall. And the ones up at the head. This piece here just slides in there, pushes on. And make sure that spins. Now we put the lower spray arm on. Remember, we go counterclockwise to tighten it. Yeah, it can't come up, but it's a little wobbly, but that's how it works. Put the racks back in and give it a try. Okay, the racks are back in. Now we're ready to take it for a test drive. We'll just do the test wash or whatever it's called. It's just on the test mode. It filled. Gave a little run. That sounded all right. Not too sure what these displays are. They're hard to read, but it's going through the cycle. Sounds pretty good. Don't hear anything flying off and hitting all the casings.